Now let's jump into the security tools. Security is a major focus of the right-click tools, and while we have many security-related right-click tools, we are a little bit more limited in the Community Edition with what tools we're able to use, as many of the security tools are enterprise-only tools. So let's go ahead and take a look at what security tools are available to us in the Community Edition. The first tool available to us is the BitLocker status tool. This tool will give us some detailed BitLocker information on the device that we have selected. And the final tool that we have access to in a limited sense is the remote window security tool. The remote window security tool gives you some critical security information in your config manager console. You can also run some security related actions directly within the remote window security tool. That's it for the security tools and community. Let's go ahead and jump into the demo. Now let's take a look at the security tools in action. As you can see, I am in the config manager admin console. I have selected our devices node. I have a device selected here. I'm going to go ahead and right click that device, go to our right click tools menu, security tools. The first tool that we have access to is the BitLocker status tool. When I open that, we'll get an interface that gives us the computer name, the drive letter, the size of the drive, the encryption status, the encryption method, the conversion status, encryption percentage, lock status, key protectors, and any errors. If there are multiple drives on this device, they will also be listed. The final tool that we have access to in the security tools section is the remote window security tool. Most features within this tool are restricted to the enterprise version. However, there are a couple of tabs that we can interact with. The first tab is the Defender tab, which covers Windows Defender. From here, we get whether or not protection is enabled, whether or not real-time protection is enabled, the signature version, the Defender client version, and the engine version. Once we've expanded this arrow, we can see the computer name, the last signature update time, the last full scan, and the last quick scan. From this page, we can also kick off a quick scan, a full scan, or update our definitions. The next tab is the Defender Exclusions tab, where any Defender exclusions will be listed. There are none for this device. The remaining tabs in remote window security are for enterprise customers. However, when you click into them, you can still see read-only information to give you an idea of what would be within those. That's it for the security tools.